Thank you for joining me once again at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training in Germany. If you want to change career, are you a professional or a non-professional, you don't know what to do yet, then this is a good channel for you. Kindly share this video with friends and families. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. In this video, I'll be discussing media. If you're interested in media as a career, or you've done journalism, or there's something you don't know what to switch into, then this is a video that is very good for you. Kindly watch this to the end. It's very informative and educative. In media, we have 37 career paths with 4 areas of specialization. And in this video, I'll be starting with the first area of specialization, that is Berufe Rundum Archive, Bibliothek und Documentation. And that is the first area of specialization I'll be discussing in this video. Watch this video to the end. It's going to help you or help someone. Don't forget, only you can stop. Yes, the first career path under the first area of specialization, Berufe Rundum Archive, Bibliothek und Dokumentation, is the Assistent in Field Technische Kommunikation und Dokumentation. That's a technical communication and documentation assistant. The duration for this is 2 years, and the type of training is a Beruf. It's a vocational school training. What do? They create operating instructions, assembly and service instructions or documentation that accompany you from conception to layout design and collection of information. They always evaluate information and create a concept. For scripts, they write text, they select photos, they create technical graphics, update the document, archive and manage information materials, and provide information as required. Where do they find employment? They find employment in industrial companies that need documentation of all their processes, in metal and electrical, and also vehicle construction companies. That's a car construction company that needs documentation of all the process of how the car was being built and all the functions. Yes, they find employment there as well. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. The Voraussetzung is the Mittelbildungsabschluss. That is, without your Mittelbildungsabschluss, intermediate education qualification, something that is higher than school, leaving diploma, you can't get into this. If you have intermediate educational qualification, you have access. You can go into this training, or if you have higher certificates as well. But anything lower than this, you can't go into this career path. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.